In recent years, print on demand, POD, has emerged as a game changer for aspiring entrepreneurs in the USA. This innovative business model allows you to flaunt your creativity without the burden of inventory. Simply design your products, upload them to a selected platform, and embrace the excitement of making sales. Each time a customer places an order, the product is printed and shipped directly, which means you can focus solely on your designs and marketing. Choosing the right niche is pivotal to your success in the POD realm. In the vast US market, numerous popular niches are ripe for exploration. Consider creating designs that resonate with patriotic sentiments around major holidays like the 4th of July, or target devoted pet lovers with whimsical dog and cat graphics. College sports fans and local pride enthusiasts are also abundant in the USA, providing a vibrant audience eager for unique merchandise. A dash of humor through funny or sarcastic quotes can also endear your products to a wide array of buyers. Equipped with design tools like Canva for beginners or Photoshop for advanced creators, you can bring your winning concepts to life. Ensure your designs are bold and easy to read from a distance, capturing the energetic pulse of US culture and humor. The connection between your designs and the audience's tastes can forge brand loyalty and elevate your business to new heights. Selecting the right POD platform is integral to your venture. Printify and Printful offer seamless integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Etsy and Shopify. If you desire built-in marketplace traffic, consider Redbubble and Teespring. Additionally, Zazzle stands out for specialty products, providing a unique avenue for custom invitations and cards. Each platform has distinct benefits that cater to various business models. To effectively market your creations, immerse yourself in social media trends, especially on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Showcase your designs dynamically, capturing attention instantly as users scroll. Running targeted Facebook ads tailored to particular US states or interest groups can amplify your reach significantly. Don't forget to capitalize on seasonal events by providing discounts during major holidays, helping to maintain customer engagement. Embrace the opportunity that print on demand presents. With low risk and immense creative potential, your designs could find their way onto the wardrobes of persons from New York to coffee mugs perched in California. If you're ready to embark on this journey, start identifying your niche today, design boldly, and launch your pod store. The US market awaits your creativity. Don't hesitate to seize this moment.